Here the question is, which among the following is an antidepressant drug? And the options are chloramphenicol, luminol and bithionol. Antidepressants are the medications used to treat the depression and other mood disorders. They help to balance the chemicals in the brain such as serotonin and dopamine, which are involved in regulating the mood, anxiety and overall mental health. Now let's come to the options. The first one is chloramphenicol. This is a broad spectrum antibiotic used to treat various bacterial infections, including serious ones like meningitis or typhoid fever. It works by inhibiting the bacterial protein synthesis due to its potential for serious side effects such as it works by inhibiting the bacterial protein synthesis. Due to its potential for serious side effects such as bone marrow suppression, its use is often reserved for severe infections where other antibiotics are ineffective. And the second option is luminal. This is a brand name for phenobarbital, that is a barbiturate which is primarily used as anticonvulsant to treat epilepsy and sometimes as a sedative. It works by depressing the central nervous system, reducing neuronal activity to prevent seizures. The third one is bithionol. This is an antiseptic used in soaps or creams to treat bacterial and fungal infections or to eliminate parasitic worms. So from these options, the correct answer is luminal.